Hello guys, and welcome back to caferussian.com. So in today's video we are going to practice two very nasty Russian words that can be easily confused. Куда and откуда. Куда means where. Откуда, откуда means where from. So in English it's very common to have a question and a preposition together to change the meaning. But in Russian we use prefixes. Откуда, where от is a prefix, куда, куда, that is the question. Куда, where, откуда, where from. So, practicing. Now, where are you going? Where are you going? How can you say it in Russian? Куда ты идёшь? Куда ты идёшь? Куда means where, ты means you, идёшь, that's a form of the verb идти or ходить, and you need to change it because ты идёшь. Куда ты идёшь? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Откуда ты идёшь? Откуда ты идёшь? So see the same sentence but a different question. Not куда, but откуда. So, куда ты идёшь? It will be where are you going to? Откуда ты идёшь? Where are you coming from? Where are you going tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow? Куда ты идёшь завтра? Куда, where, ты, you, идёшь, ты идёшь. It's a form of идти. We change it for you, ты. Завтра, tomorrow. Where did you come from yesterday? Where did you come from yesterday? Откуда ты приехал вчера? Откуда, where from, ты, you, приехал. Do you see this L ending? So that's a sign of a past form. Ты приехал means you came. So in the past. Вчера, yesterday. Откуда ты приехал вчера? Where did you come from yesterday? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Куда ты хочешь идти? Куда, where, ты, you, хочешь. That's a form of the verb хотеть, changed because the subject is you, ты, идти, to go. Where do you want to go? Куда ты хочешь идти? And now I will give you some extra information about these two little words. We can use откуда in some fixed constructions, fixed questions. For example, откуда ты это знаешь? How do you know that? Or where did you get it from? How do you know it? Откуда ты это знаешь? Откуда, where from, ты, you, это, this, знаешь, it's a form of знать, changed for ты. Откуда ты это знаешь? And the second example would be откуда у тебя это? Where did you get it from? Откуда, where from, у тебя это, this. So this is it, guys. Now you know how to use these two questions, куда, откуда. And if you are interested in Russian language and looking for a good Russian tutor, I have something interesting for you guys. I'm teaching Russian through a very revolutionary method, which means we are going to master the language through the conversational practice. Every lesson I will give you a little bit of grammar, a little bit of vocabulary, and we are going to practice it through speaking, speaking, and speaking. So by the end of every session, you will have a very solid understanding how to use this grammar and this vocabulary in everyday life, and you will be not afraid to speak. If you are interested, I will leave my mail down below, so just send me a message, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Пока-пока!